It's Papa Texas. That's right. All right, you know what tomorrow is? Thursday. You know what's going to happen tomorrow night? Papa Texas is going to be in the hot seat, live in the hot seat with Cooking with CJ and Daddy Dutch Barbecue. That's right. I'm going to leave a link to it, and y'all can go to it. Come over and watch it tomorrow night. Texas time's going to be 8 p.m. That's right. He's going to ask me questions. I'm scared. Anyway, we'll get through it. Y'all come over and join us live. Check Papa Texas out. Support Papa Texas in this endeavor. Learn about Papa Texas. What would there be to learn about Papa Texas? Yeah. Hit that bill. Hit that bell. Stay up with me. See you tomorrow night. I hope. Leave down in the comments and say, I'll be there for you, Papa. Where's the link? No. It's Papa Texas. See ya.